operation, through timer. This video shows that the filter works in the timer system, but can also be set to the delta P system, depending on filter bag's condition. Fabric filter control system. Modern proven control system. Advantages: the system. 1. Parallel or serial communication to plant control system, profile bus, or mode bus are preferred. 2. Communication to field components, either parallel or serial. 3. Operator panel can be located, either in weather enclosure or in electrical room. In this system associated process plant can be controlled if required. Communication with plant